Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the location and your address on your Nintendo Switch account. So what we want to do is log into the account. So I'm just under Tim's page right here, and I want to go to the Nintendo eShop. Now select your profile here. So yeah, this is logged in, and this is going to load back and forth, and it's going to take a while. Then we want to go up to the top and go to the right and go to this little icon. Select it. Then we want to go to it. Go to the right. Scroll line down. If you're having a problem like entering your credit card information or maybe purchasing things through the store, we want to go to where it says the location settings. Your address is required to calculate sales tax. Please enter your address information so we can go to change. Then enter in your zip code right here, and then also your address. So entering that there. Now another thing that we want to change over is go to system settings, and we should be able to change over the region under here. So we can find it somewhere. So here's region, the Americas. So make sure your region is correlated with your location that you entered in. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave the big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.